le foi ia ua tatou felo ai nei le tatou ofisa fa'asalalau ia ma le fionga ia Lupesoliai la au le mali to Joseph Paka le alo le tunu ia e pe foi ona fa'alau i loina le tatou tunu i tulaga e fai pelenga malo sei fo mo nei tao Lupesoliai good morning.
Good morning, Malo.
O mai o nei tao Lupesoliai
Manguia, fia. And happy to be here.
Mana ia mau nei te me te asi me su tatou tu le ale au ngau malanga na sau te tafao
No, so te whao because umakolole the camp, le whai.
Yeah.
Ma fusuanga. Ia me mi ror ke mi relax at kingoa.
Ia. Umir te mi
Umi te mi whinga ko lengi ai in camp.
Umala nei tatou tunu i Samoa fele la so to ili se
Ma kolo Samoa fiki pula vanaka ya fiki ya.
Ela e pula ia.
Pai pula. Ia ko foi erong usias. Vai pe das kem ko mausis ka longa.
Ala so va longo lotino nei Samoa na malo si lotino.
Wa me strong, ale mau Samoa.
Aquele lo malo si.
Aquele malo si kem ki sawe ngai Samoa. Nice, ma ele le kau.
Yeah.
Ma me ai le mau ngai. Me ai foi ngare ai kemi ai le mpenga ai kongo camp.
Okay. O ngala o vala ai ka.
O ka ova. Ai kele me ai ma ele mau.
Sawa. E mana ia foi wai over time camp ele fina to tau mafai.
O ko kemi le camp. Iba vai aso fai le camp.
Yeah.
Pa wal me ai le camp me ai le mau le mai lo chef, the nutritionist. And that's it, nothing else.
Okay.
No kalo, no luau.
No luau. No
vaspa. Ai respepe, no waka.
Oh.
Mari
Que fia ka.
Wat fia. Ja. Oka so se
seafood,
any seafood.
Ma lo fa tai. O le la ta se tu ia ile a foi nei tu langa pe ona ia ila fusuanga le na se mai tu nei ali la sunga Lupesoliai. Ole so finanga la so what do you feel about la fusuanga le o matune ma Martin?
Oh, Martin. You know, I was happy. Ringa mawale abongo ki fusuai the card ringa fai.
Okay.
Because the game ringa mai vainga de ma ia tenu tupo. Fa pe ole I wasn't going to get a fight.
Okay.
But then I asked him to give me the toughest fight.
Okay.
In fact, ki vi fusu Martin. So then we reached out to Martin and he flew in from Africa.
So you chose Martin?
I chose Martin.
Okay.
Because it came like 2022.
Yeah.
When we're training in England, get all le whinga le fusuanga with Martin and he's very strong, malosi here. So I wanted to test myself against a strong opponent.
So how long ai lo takatani o Martin?
I've known him for a long time.
Okay.
For a while, yeah. But I know he's very strong. And get it for if you fusuai.
Okay.
Because he's dangerous, huh?
Because the thing is, mai tau atu. Pe le fato mato ai atu le ni tanga to o Martin. You know papa before you know
because kele come fusu if you fusu Martin. He's trying to get a fight for a long time, but in a fight.
But why you choose him?
Because I know he's a tough man.
Oh, okay.
Like we want to fight the best fighters in the world. When Danny Dubois pulled out of the fight on Thursday, I already had a great training camp, and I felt like I was going to be put on a good performance.
Yeah, well, the world was so shocked when they recognized you the power and the speed.
Speed and power.
Te mine i lauto ia ngai mai po lauto e fo i mai e mai sela lo felo inga le Martin. O lau sili lau sunga Lupesoliai. What's happened to Daniel Dubois? What's happened?
Daniel Dubois. Yeah.
Nili ale la o le aso lu suanga e koe pull out.
O le aso coffee. On my way to the press conference. And if I don't call coach Andy in the back seat. Said, oh man, what's wrong? Maybe he saw on social media that Dubois is sick. Okay. They might go to the press conference.
Yeah.
Announce the fusuanga and make sure that everything is fine. And then when we get to the press conference, there's no fight.
Oh.
Say lo por out kara fight because.
Ai le yo mi se tala ya.
Mo lunga social media.
Okay.
And then maybe 2 or 3 hours, and then they found a new opponent.
Oh,
Vave
telea. Awai pe o le fa pe mai tangata is a setup. Yeah, what do you think?
I look at it as I can control what I can control and just focus on myself and the fight. Mea re kukupu, if it's a setup, whatever it is, but I was ready to fight anyone.
Wa oso atu ai male la nganga lofa le tunu mo o e mala uta mfainga le sai ta pena ya tenu o le o mai foi le o tenu o oso mai
mo le mo fusu le fusi
sa oso
so maybe hopefully Daniel's all right and I'm fine quite fine my fusu ma Daniel be nice but I'm not too sure what's happening
ala so vinga o le ai te fia fusu ya Daniel
give fusu everyone Give you fusu ya Daniel because Daniel le IBF Championship of the World. Give you fusu what ya Yusuf because he's got all the belts.
Okay.
Because I want to be world champion again.
Ole ala le sila sanga. What's next, moi?
What's next? More holiday. More holiday. Ringi aso mo foi ngale maintain the fitness ma le marosi de kingo and like I said the food. Ka walk in me ai. You can have treats but it takes too long. It's easy to put on and hard to lose. So for now, I'm just enjoying, but patiently waiting to see what's next.
Oh, so later for Italia, still wait for Ilela.
Why, yeah.
O mata tu va so le se va tu nei social media. Fa pe mai tala istangata e manana o to e fia mata e luo to e felo I malelilo Anthony Joshua.
Oh yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, he's an option.
Okay.
Yeah, for the option, but my goal is to fight for the championship of the world, and he doesn't have a belt.
Yeah.
And the game being a mafuso e lua fe suvaru. I was very young, and the team they out gave me and the confidence. But I think it'll be a different, very different fight.
Okay. Mana ia. Le no winga na le ai le lo po le tonu le siva enga le la o ye le te fata tali promoters wa
relax and wait.
Ala halo mana onga na ye li Joseph. O le need na ya o e pe
I need
to tala se of no.
Right, I need to fight the champions.
Okay.
Because ngaka umaringa mai kako team kako fuswai. Deontay Wilder, Zhang, Mapakoli. We did our job.
Yeah.
And expect for they thought we were going to lose.
Oh.
But we keep winning, so they should give us a big fight next, a title fight. But we'll see.
Malo va tai, yeah, they lowa o lowa moni fo e ve foi tangata fa ta va ali Lupesoliai. Fai mosur tato tunu e mole to ia danga fa tai moi. Haftai foi lo tau tua wai tu mati e foi tato watu no ia tu mau ia ila o foi tau tua lo tau aveina fu tato tu no mole to ia nga haftai ni tau is si vai nga fai o te fia sau no ia le fa mai erta por kalame
just haftai la tato tu no Samoa for all the support and kakalo all fanga and very happy to be here to see everyone and I'm gonna be champion of the world very soon. Not long now. Thank you very much.
Ya, ole sunga ya Lupesoliai la auli le mali to Joseph Paka e pei ona mai mo mai hele tato watu no nei vaenga ya ole taia lo ngore tato po kalame is gonna be a world champion soon. Very soon. No winga ya ile o te mamao ya tato pati foi ile tulanga fa afta ya ile alo tato watu